Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Triambakeshwara Realtors. Today we are going to visit an exciting property which is built in 150 square yards and the location is Patancheru. So guys, there are many interesting aspects in this house. I liked it personally very much, so I hope you like it well. So this is the car parking area guys. It's very spacious. So this is the false ceiling design in the car parking area. So this is the main door guys. So he used marbles in the car parking as well. So these are the staircases to the terrace. And there's a wash area under the staircase and common washroom as well. So this is the ventilation to the puja room guys. And the other one, the right side is the ventilation of the kitchen. So this is the common wash area. And this is setback area which is to the right side of the house. And guys, this house is located in a huge HMDA layout, so it has all the amenities available like municipal water connection, underground drainage connection, everything is available. You will be surprised when I reveal the price of this house. It's such low and very good looking luxurious house. So this is the hall guys. This is the other door to the setback area which is to the right side of the house, and this is the false ceiling design in the hall. So there is the false ceiling design in the dining area. So that is the dining area. It has no partition to the hall and dining area. So in future you can convert into dining area by using curtains or something as well. So here they'll be placing a wash basin. So these are the few cabins to store some things in dining area. So this is the main door guys, and this is the puja room. The puja room is very spacious in length, not in width. And guys, it has very clear documents. You can avail loan as well for this house up to 80%. Depends upon your profile. So guys, this is the kitchen. These are the cabins in the kitchen to store things, and this is the kitchen platform. The kitchen is very spacious and it's a open kitchen. I think this house looks very good when it is done with the total painting. And this is the common washroom guys. It has Indian style commode. So yeah, it's spacious but not more spacious. And guys, this is the master bedroom. So he has used marbles for flooring in all the rooms. And guys, this is the window in the master bedroom. And this is the false ceiling design in the master bedroom. These are few cabins, and there's a window in between the cabins as well. So here he have given a small room kind of thing for, it can be also called as dressing room. So this is the low roof guys. Here there are few cabins to store some things which you can use in washroom. And here it is the attached washroom, and it has western style commode. It is still not placed yet. Compared to the common washroom, it's very spacious. So guys, now let's go to the children's bedroom. So this is the children's bedroom guys. It is also very spacious. So this is the false ceiling design in the children's bedroom guys. These are the cabins. This is the window. So yeah, as you can see, it's very spacious. I think the room size is 12 by 12. It was looking very spacious. So now let's go to the setback area, which is to the right side of the house. So it's very spacious, and there is another wash area to the setback area. So as I have shown you in the beginning of the video, there was a wash area under the staircase and here as well. So there are two common wash areas in this house. So guys, now let's go to the terrace. So I personally go visit the terrace in every property because we can understand how spacious the property is by seeing the terrace. So these are the staircase, guys. So this is how spacious this property is. It's very spacious, as I have mentioned in the beginning of the video. So guys, this location is in Patancheru. It's in HMDA layout, as I have said you in the beginning of the video. So now it's time to reveal the price of this house, guys, and the price is just 45 lakhs. So guys, sorry for the delay. I've been not posting the videos from few days. It was a bit technical problem from my team side. I'm so sorry for it. So please do watch my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe. We'll get back to you tomorrow with a new property. So this is the road, guys. Thanks for watching.